All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is August 7th, Thursday, 2025. 8:50 a.m. Mountain Time. So we are roughly almost 1.5 hours into the market. Nasdaq is up 0.6%. Dow has reversed. Now it's down minus 0.2%. S&P is up 0.1%, and volume is higher on both of them right now. So far so good, but the reversal obviously we'll see in a second here is a little bit worrisome. So let's take a look at the index here. So here's QQQ. We have made very good progress in terms of this index here. Like we are now at the near the highs right here. It did reverse this morning from the high here, so not sure if that's a problem. The term I use is it could be a bull trap because people thinking, hey, we're getting back to a new high and this is it, we're gonna break out again, right? So just be mindful. Sometimes the index do, test get a bull trap one more time to trap the last of the people who's trying to get into the market at the last minute. So I'm not saying this is it, but just beware because the reversal is kind of a little bit suspicious here. Why it happened at this moment? So go into intraday chart here. We have make new low here, but we haven't closed the gap, so that's the good news. We're still pretty far above the gap right now. Of course, anything could happen. The ideal situation would be to bounce back out and like kind of if I go to a 15-minute chart, you see right here, like maybe 5 sessions ago, that's when last Thursday we have the high and we reversed strongly here. So that is a strong test right here because there's a lot of sellers came in Thursday and Friday to push it down. So right now, if this is the top again, we didn't make a new high, and this could be another trap, right? We could see another big down here. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just giving different scenarios. Obviously, so far it's really good. Like lots of stocks, there's some growth stocks moving, so definitely there's money to be made there. But we are also, like I said, for the last week we've seen many stocks going down too. So it goes both ways during earnings season, and I just hope this is not a bull trap because that would be pretty bad. So that's QQQ. Let me jump to SPY. SPY and QQ are very similar. So this one a little bit further away from the top this morning, even though it came up. But look at where it is now. It's closer to the 10-day, the middle range, than the top now. So that just shows how fast things can change. Um, so that's the only problem there. Let me go to, so again, we have many days ago that high right there, Thursday, last week, and we didn't come close to it. And we go to 5-minute chart here. So now we already closed the gap. So this is the problem right here. So this one looks a lot weaker than Nasdaq. We closed the gap, and then um, right now it's testing the highs here. So that's a very important level. If we break that, then obviously it's gonna go test the lower range here. So that's the problem right now. Again, looks very ugly right now because uh, the reversal not only looks bad, but it's bringing it back down to the 10-day, which means it's going to test the 10-day again. We're still early in the day, but anything can happen. But like I said, where it closes is going to be super important today, especially with the high volume. We could have a distribution day. Okay, so let's jump to DIA here. Dow Jones look a lot worse. You can see again, we had this highs here. We never came close to it. We went down pretty sharp. We bounced back above the 10-day this morning, but again, look at how fast it gave up the 10-day. Not only that, we are below, way below the 10-day now. Looks like we're going to be testing the 50-day once again coming down. So Dow is definitely very weak. IWM, very similar chart, came above the 10-day, and then look at it now, it's below the 10-day now. So again, because the 50-day is not that far away, it could possibly come back and test this one more time. So last time we bounced off that. So So yeah, no one likes negative reversals. Watch your stock if they reverse. I don't know. It's not a good thing. I've seen lots of stocks reverse this morning, even the ones with good earnings. So, not a good thing. On the stocks on the move, there's lots of stocks reporting earnings, both on the upside and downside. On the downside, with FTNT, look at those massive loss: 25%, Crocs 26%, Lily 14%, Root 21%, LNW 16%. I mean, so many growth stocks getting hammered here. It's just unbelievable. PRCT, like this bowl. This one got hit hard, SYM. This is a leader. I'll just show it because this was a leader and it just got hammered this morning. It is bouncing back quite a bit, still down 15%. Um, but yeah, just got hammered there. SITM, TSSI, ABNB. So lots of stocks getting hammered. On the upside, we also have some good stocks moving up. App Living is moving. So let's go take a look here. This is breaking out right now. Very nice chart pattern. Lots of volume coming in. Looks really sharp right now. Bros, this one also making a big move. This is a nice trend line here. Again, high volume, bouncing, giving back a little bit, but still look okay. So still above the gap low here. Looks good. Next one, MEG. I'm not sure if I follow that one. Let me just take a quick look on my spreadsheet here. MEG. Okay, it's a little bit low on earnings side, so I'm going to pass on that. NATL. Computer integrated system, nice. It's a new name on my list. It came out this morning. So very nice breakout here. It's giving back some. Um, it's still above the gap low, so it looks good. Looks at the earnings here. It's like pretty stable, $1 above here. It's okay. It's a small cap. Dash moving nicely here. Uh, Strong earnings guidance going forward. It's a nice breakout because this pattern looks really good. Nice tight pattern here, and then move up again, giving back some already because of the market reversal. Actually, this one came all the way back down. Very interesting. Closed the gap, and then now it's bouncing off. At least it bounced, so that's a good thing. So at least it tests the gap low. So that's to me that's a good thing. So that looks pretty good. GLW is still moving. This one has ties to Apple. So all the Apple news are benefiting some of this stock. So those are moving. I think the other stock that's related is Cohere, also tied to Apple stock. They all moved pretty good this morning. Um, let's keep going here. So some of the big cap. Let's look at TSM here. Nice gap up, coming back down though, a little bit. So it looks still look a lot of chip stocks, at least the big ones are moving this morning. Avago, look at them, but they all reversed this morning, but still they all make new highs, so it's still positive. But so it depends if they come back and test the gap low. That's important. Um, so let's keep going here. And, so yeah, so there's some. Oh, Shot Ninja. Wow, look at that reversal coming back. So this is not good. I mean, not good for people who bought it up here, but yeah. So that's that one. I think silver and gold are moving. So here's PAS report earnings, really sharp breakout. Gold price today are moving slightly. I think let me see here. TFPM is one that also reported. That one's moving. Let me go to my spreadsheet here. I think there's other ones here. R Gold, GFI, those are moving. Here's R Gold is bouncing back here. This one's not the strongest, but GFI is moving. AU, so this one is kind of reversing a little bit. So AMD is trying to bounce back right here. Row GVA, so those are bouncing today. Okay, so it's giving back a lot of gains here. GVA, This one is coming out, so that one looks good. Report earnings. SAP. This one is also trying to bounce. Upstart, hit bad day yesterday. It's I mean, it's bouncing back a few percent, but I don't know. It's just very bad chart right now. Each side is trying to bounce back as well, right here. So overall, like I think the market is just continue to go up nicely, slowly. But again, I just beware of today's bull trap if it is one. I don't know. Watch how those stocks that report good earnings do by the end of the day. Those are strong. I think there's other stocks like Duolingo. I forgot about that one. This one's a huge benefit, so it's giving back by a bit. There's probably other ones that I missed, but yeah. Let's see how the market goes. Right now, QQQ is still testing the lows here, so we'll see how this closes today. Thank you all for watching.